How to add TRC USDT to your Trust Wallet. Now let's go to our Trust Wallet right here. Let me tap right on it, enter my passcode. Now if you go to Trust Wallet, you might see USDT TRC. By the time I scroll down, and this is the reason why most people send their coin to wrong address, because there are so many USDT on Trust Wallet that if you go by searching, so let's say this is one way you can decide to add your TRC USDT to your Trust Wallet, is by searching, let's say USDT. But the problem here is there are so many USDT with the same logo, and they all belong to different coins, different tokens, different networks, that you don't even know which one is the correct USDT. For instance, look at USDT right here, but ERC. But if you scroll up, you see another USDT here. That is you see another USDT. Sorry, let me scroll up. Let me disable this. If you scroll up, you see another USDT that is also ERC. But the difference between them is Strike USDT. Well, most people won't know the differences between them. Okay, so there are a couple of different USDT here. So how do you know the right one? Actually, the one we are looking for is TRC USDT, which is this particular one, TRC20, that's Theta USDT, and not these other ones that you're seeing right here that are of different networks. All right, so in case you are confused through that method, this is the best way to actually do it to get it correctly. Now go to your CoinMarketCap just the way I did, then click on search and search USDT, tap on USDT. Now when you tap on USDT, scroll all the way down. When you scroll all the way down, click on contracts. Now you see contract ID to several networks that USDT exists on. Okay, now what you're looking for is the Tron contract ID, which is this particular one right here, Tron contract ID. Tap on it to copy it. So you've done that successfully. Let's go back to the wallet right now. Come here, enter our address, tap on the three dot where you normally add your coin right here. So paste in that contract ID, and boom, it should automatically just reflect. Maybe this also applies to a situation whereby you are adding other tokens, but if it's taking longer, you can add it as a custom token since it's a Tron USD. So you choose the network Tron. Let's search Tron, tap on Tron, paste it right here. Okay, it's actually TRC20 because we have USD TRC10. all right, paste it right there and it will reflect. Click on done, and boom, you have your TRC USDT. So the reason why you have to go through this process is because we have TRC10 and then we have TRC20. Now you can now go to Binance. If you want to send send USDT to this wallet right now, you can now go to Binance, click on wallet, click on spot, click on withdraw. Then the coin you're withdrawing is definitely USDT. So search USDT, tap on it. Okay, USD, yeah, tap on it, send via crypto network. So you copy that Tron, that TRC. Make sure that you check the address you're copying, because remember we copied contract ID. So you make sure that, okay, you know the last 3 digits of your wallet address, so you won't send your coin to a contract ID. So now I have to paste that address I copied right there. Most time it should automatically reflect, but if it doesn't reflect after confirming the 3 digits of this, making sure that it's my wallet, then tap on here, look for Tron TRC20, tap on it, So enter the whatever coin I want to send, enter the maximum amount, and then you can then send. All right, why would most people want, why would you want to go through this step just to send USDT to Trust Wallet? The reason is because Tron network charges only $1 in transaction fee and 1 confirmation, which means it's faster than ERC20, and ERC20 charges more in transaction fee than the Tron network. So if I'm choosing, you can see the different ranges of transaction fees. Why the BEP20 is about less than $1, the BEP2 is also less than $1. ERC, as at this moment I am speaking, making this video, is about $4. In most cases, sometimes about $8, $10, or something there about. Then here Polygon is about less than, it's about $0.8, Solana 0.8, Tezos 0.8, and ERC is almost 0.82, but most cases it's always $1. So
other networks USDT exist on.
Alright, before the video ends, you just have to know that why sending USDT that you bought from exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, or any of those exchanges, USDT exists as a peg token on different networks such as Ethereum, that's ERC20, Tron as TRC20 or TRC10, then Solana, Algorand, Heco, BNB Smart Chain, that's BB20, 𝗥𝗚𝗚, Polygon, Avalanche, C-Chain, Tomo Chain, Phantom, Bitcoin Card, Optimism, Case, KuCoin itself, 𝗥𝗚𝗡𝗧𝗏, Arbitrum, and so many others. See, there are a whole lot of them. I can't list the entire I can't finish the whole list. So there are so many, and as more networks will be coming up, there will always be a peg USDT that will be on those network chain. All right, so whenever I'll be making video on how to add the rest later on, but whenever you are adding yours, just be sure that whenever you're sending coins, just be sure of the network you're sending on, or the particular USDT you are adding up on your wallet. All right, so if by any chance you have sent USDT to a Trust Wallet or MetaMask or Exodus Wallet, any of those decentralized wallets, and it's lost, you can send me an email or check some of my previous videos that I've made, and then I'll be sure to guide you to recover it, or send me an Instagram message. All right, so be careful while sending. Always take note of the network while sending your coins. So you want to hit that subscription button right now, subscribe, and see you in my next video.